What's going on, guys? It's your boy Anthony here with Andy. Today me and him are working on this Mercedes. Yes sir, it's getting a one step and it's also getting a ceramic coat, interior clean, and interior ceramic coat. What a beautiful car, guys.
This is a pretty sick car. This is a dope car. Me and Anthony are pretty excited to work on this one.
It's gonna be a good one, Andy. It's gonna be a good one.
All right, you wanna get this started, bro?
Let's go.
All right, let's go, man.
Hey guys, welcome back. We just got finished washing, claying, and rail dusting this Mercedes E450. We dried her off, sprayed all the cracks and crevices out, and now we're gonna tape all the edges and get ready to one step it. After the one step, it's onto the ceramic coat and then interior, guys. Let's go.
Anthony's starting to polish the Mercedes because we finished washing, and I'm going to be working on the interior. There he is right there. He's working on that side, I'm working on this side. We're going to try to get this done. Let's go.
Dale!
Power tools.
Dale, no power tools!
Oh, what?
No power tools!
You know what I forgot? I have to brush my teeth.
That is not your toothbrush!
Not gonna lie, Scott, this is probably the cleanest floors I've ever seen. Probably because it's a brand new car, so I don't have much vacuuming to do here. And as you can see, I have my headphone in. I always listen to like Frank Sinatra while I'm working. It gets me in the zone, to be honest. It's relaxing. It's not too upbeat. Just chilling while I vacuum.
Fly me to the moon.
Finished vacuuming the right side of the car while Anthony's still cutting and polishing the left side. So now I just bust out the tool. It's called a Tornador. It just makes it a little bit more simple when you're cleaning the panels because it can get through the cracks, but of course you gotta have a brush on hand too because it's not gonna get everything. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I know this interior isn't too bad at all. You guys can take a look at it. It's not bad at all, but we are ceramic coating the interior, so you wanna go over everything thoroughly so the ceramic coating does its job. The only thing I'm worried about is this stain on the seat for a brand new car. It's a mystery substance. See if you can see that. Hopefully that comes out. I'll show you guys the results after I'm done. All right, so the mystery substance on the seat did come out. And one little tip, if you are cleaning your car, sometimes I forget to do this as well, is right in the seats, the crevice, you want to pull that back.
That's what she said!
There's normally stuff in between the seats. I do sometimes forget, and then my brother tells me, hey man, you missed the seat like in between the creases. So that's a major tip. If you want to clean your seat really good, make sure you get in the crevices. If you can't get it, get yourself a little brush and go in between the seats. Or if you do have an air compressor, you could just pull it back, like with your hand. I can't really use my hand right now because I'm holding the camera. Pull it out and then vacuum the rest later. Right now what I'm currently doing is I'm steaming the floors. This is a brand new car, so I don't need to bust out the shampooer for something like this. So I'm going over all the carpets with the steam cleaner, and I'm also gonna hit the seats again, even though they're already clean, but you better be safe than sorry, right? And one thing I can never get used to in these Mercedes cars is moving the seats on the door. Your first instinct is to grab like the side of the chair, but it's not there. That's one annoying thing about the Mercedes I will legit never get used to. And another thing too while I'm here, every time I bring a Mercedes in, I always struggle finding how to put the car in drive, because you want to go in the center console area to put like shift into drive, but it's not there. It's actually right there. Those are the two cons about the Mercedes for me. I've cleaned so many Mercedes, it's one thing that I always forget. So if you're ever cleaning a Mercedes, make sure you put it in drive on the side, kind of like a truck. Kind of satisfying, besides burning my hand. This is a new steamer we just picked up, actually, from our buddy Helder. We're testing this out because our old steamer broke, and this one does the job perfectly fine, actually. If anything, it's better than the other steamer that we have. The other steamer has more power in it. It does clean just as good, but it was an expensive machine, and it's always breaking. So we're gonna see how long this one lasts. All right, time to do the interior coat with System X. That is what I'm applying to the seats, all the panels. You want to make sure you hit everything, because if you don't hit everything, there's going to be like a little spot. It's going to stand out like a sore thumb if you don't hit it, because it'll be less shiny, because this adds a little bit of a gloss to the plastics. So here we go. So just apply it on the sponge. We're just going to put it all over the seat. Make sure you don't miss a spot. There we go. And now I'm going to be doing that to the whole car. I'm going to be doing this for a couple hours. No problem, Scott. There we go, man.
Little update. Anthony laying down the ceramic. System X crystal package.
The ceramic.
Andy's coating the interior still. Real man, don't wear gloves. How many people are gonna think, you don't wear gloves?
Oh, my hands, I don't have to wash my hands for a bit.
No, you don't have to wash your hands ever. Ceramic coat your body and you don't gotta take a shower no more.
Yeah, ceramic coat my body. I do.
What do you think? We don't shower here at Chaves. We just ceramic coat ourselves.
Somebody give me a water bottle, I'll show you me beating.
Alright, this will be a rated R.
I'm gonna try to do this take without saying and so, because I'm pretty sure you guys noticed already throughout the video that I've been saying those words a lot. So every time I said that word, take a shot. Take a shot. And if you don't drink, take a shot of water. Okay, so we're... All right, Eric.
Well, that's a wrap for, what day is today? Today's Tuesday, February 8th. The boys finished up the car. The boys, not me. They one-stepped it, got it nice and glossy, protected it with ceramic coating. And you got the inside all done. Ceramic coated top to bottom with System X, the brand we use inside the shop that we trust and we've used for a couple years now. System X. It's gonna be easier to clean now. It's gonna be extremely hydrophobic, which means the rain, snow, whatever, it's gonna have a harder time sticking to it. It's gonna cut down your cleaning time. So if it took you an hour, I'm just using random numbers right now, it's gonna take you a half hour now to clean. What else we got here, Andy? What else we got here? We also ceramic coated the face of the wheels. We ceramic coated all the glass on there, which means that at around 50 kilometers an hour, you're not gonna have to use your wipers anymore. Pretty sweet. That means you're not gonna have to replace them as much anymore. And the other thing with the ceramic coating, it adds a nice blanket of gloss. White's hard to capture, I'm not sure if you can see it.
Actually, it's pretty glossy right now.
Because it's polished ceramic.
Yeah.
It's nice and smooth. Maybe we show the people how hydrophobic.
All right, let's show them.
All right, give me a sec. Just gonna show an example here of how slick this is. The water just beads right off, glides right off. You can literally use a leaf blower to dry off your car now. The nice thing too is no more waxing. You just gotta wash it, maintain it. You don't gotta spend hours outside the driveway waxing your car. Ceramic coated the last 3 years, 6 years, 10 years, whatever package you go for. Yeah, there it is.
Those are the results, guys.
Actually, I don't know if the compressor's turned on.
Wait, hold up.
Ready?
Yep. Perfect. Look at that. All right, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down because we really don't care. Let's go!